Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Napa Cabbage, Sesame and Ginger Salad. Now, Napa Cabbage is a cabbage that you commonly see in many Asian cuisines, and it's a long cabbage. It has curly leaves around the edges. So I'm going to start off by thinly slicing a couple of these Napa cabbage leaves. Trying to get them about the thinness of coleslaw. I'm also going to be mixing them with grated carrots, so I want everything to be roughly the same size and consistency. So there's some shredded Napa cabbage. Got a little chunk of ginger. I'm going to peel it with a spoon. You can just rub the peel off like that. Alternately, you can use a vegetable peeler, or you can just use a paring knife. Now you can grate it, but I'm just gonna cut it into tiny pieces with the paring knife, because sometimes ginger can get kind of stringy, and if you're using the grater, it really makes it even stringier. Okay, so I'm going to add the chopped ginger. I'm going to add some sesame seeds, a little bit of grated carrot, some rice vinegar, some toasted sesame oil, a little bit of salt, and some green onion. I'm going to mix that up together. And there you have a Napa Cabbage, Sesame and Ginger Salad.